from financial recovery to being funded and focused starts with action. Sit down today and write out your top 3 income goals for the next 90 days. As a woman over the age of 35, action is your friend. Update your resume, update your portfolio, update your business profile to reflect the value you bring. Reach out to one potential client or mentor or collaborator this week. For professional women over the age of 35 and beyond, these simple steps build momentum, and momentum builds money. Because when you take deliberate action to showcase your worth, you'll quickly discover that money goes where value flows. Moving from financial recovery to being funded and focused starts when you take bold, consistent action.